instead of going straight, we're actually going to take a right just before Big C here on Route 4, and we'll take a shortcut. We'll go the back way. Nice Porsche, nice Tesla, and a guy on a bike. I always love the contrast. See this black car, this BYD? It's just making another lane, but it's blocking traffic. It's ridiculous. I don't know how someone can just figure out like, hey, that is better. So this is the back way, right? Literally, because it means narrow soils, harder to squeeze through, but it still fits. It's okay. We can do this. Just don't wiggle too much. Make sure you sit straight. It's very doable. Nice. BYD again. Okay. Take a right here. Just have to dodge the traffic. Red Tesla. These Teslas are everywhere these days. But okay, we can go. Really? Yes, we can go. Okay. Now let's take a left here, follow the car. Make sure we don't run into, we don't run into a guy with a dog in his lap on a bike. And I think it's a foreigner as well. I don't think it's a Thai guy. Maybe the Thais are aware of the dangers on the road. They don't choose to bring their pets with them. But this guy, this dog, damn, he's so comfortable. He's so easy going. And I'm pretty sure that's a Wind driver, so that's either a Grab driver or just a regular guy that he hailed from his condo. But yeah, that dog, barely moving, so chill, so comfortable. Look at that. It's amazing. I really love how there's such random stuff happening all the time in this city. It's truly amazing. Okay, where do they go? That dog, he just sits still. I would think he might jump off. I mean, they're stopping now. The dog knows when to get off. Okay, we're gonna take a left again. And I guess the dog joins us. We're just following him in pursuit. Let's see. He clearly wants to go left. They're actually taking a right. Okay. Well, we're now. Oh, nice BMW. That almost cut us. But yeah, we're back on Sukhumvit, and we're heading towards Times Square, which is just opposite of Terminal 21. We're almost there. Just a little bit more. Just hit the traffic light like usual. Asoke intersection. Always such a crazy long wait. Well, we're anyways almost there. I'm not gonna bother by the last bit of the journey, the commute. But I hope you had fun and saw some interesting things like that crazy dog on a bike. Maybe a very happy dog on a bike. Well, if you want to see more, as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also please leave some comments. What was the craziest thing you saw today? And what did you enjoy the least? Please let me know.